Namaste parents and children. As it is truly said, parents are called as a first teacher and teacher is said to be first parent. So with the concern and care, I am Nisha Subramanian, HOD of Primary Department from Mangala Vidya Mandira, would like to share a few words about ongoing pandemic situation. Today, in this situation, the biggest challenge what we are facing is how to survive. Students, have you observed like from morning till night, whether it's a newspaper, whether it is in TV channel or social media, only there is one news spreading, that is about corona. Isn't so? But we don't know what is going to happen, how the virus is going to play it out. We are not sure about it. In a couple of months, what will be the scenario? But the best part is what? We need to upgrade ourselves. Let us invest it on ourselves. Upgrading means to improve your immunity level. That means you should be more fitter, at least 10 to 15% stronger compared to your earlier time. For that, what we have to do? There are few things, there are few tools that can be done, like from morning to evening, whenever you are free, 15 to 20 minutes you need to do exercise. Apart from that, have a healthy and nutritious food. At the same time, with physical, you need to make your mentally also you need to prepare yourself very sharper. And unnecessary, avoid going out. If you want to really go out, if there is something emergency and if you want to go out, wear mask, sanitize your hand, and don't try to go in a crowded place. At the same time, what you have to do, you need to keep social distancing in case if you are going out. Then, in case if you are at home, what you have to do, children? Frequently keep on washing your hands. Right? Don't keep on thinking this will happen, that will happen. Don't live with your own imagination, which will only cause fear in your mind. Rather than get involved in some sort of activities like some indoor games, read good books, which will give peace of mind, as well as it will cool your mind after doing such kind of activities. The only way to keep the virus away from us, like to keep the flu away from us, is not to talk about it. It will diminish itself. The more you talk, the virus will become more active and it will spread, it will come into our vibration. And a very important thing, for school management has come up with social activities to help the society. So let us join hand with them and fight with the COVID virus, what is ongoing right now. Children, you don't only have to fight the virus, you need to dodge the virus. At the same time, I want to give a beautiful message to all my favorite students, like today, as we are facing the big challenge of the shortage of oxygen, grow a sampling, maybe in a 15 days or in a month. At least try growing a plant that is going to help us in our future generation. At least our future generation will not face the problem what we are facing right now. In the end, I would like to share that you will be receiving a short video based on the upcoming academic details. So children, stay safe, be positive and stay connected. Thank you, children. Namaste.